Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 48. If the range of a set of number is 5 and the highest number is 12, find the least number. A 2, B 7, C 17 and D 18. Now we're given that the range of a set of number is 5 and that the highest number is 2. And like we know, range of a set of number is given as the highest number minus the lowest number. Now we have that the range is equal to 5 and the highest number is equal to 12. Now we are asked to find the least number. And like we know, range is equals to the highest number minus what? Minus the lowest number. And we are asked to find the lowest number. So therefore, to find the lowest number, we simply subtract the range from the highest number. Since the range is equals to the highest minus the lowest number, so to get the lowest number, we subtract this range from the highest number. So the lowest number is equal to the highest number minus the range. And so we have that this is equal to, the highest number is 12. This is equal to 12 minus 5. And this will give us 7. So therefore the lowest number is 7. That's the least number is 7. From the option A says 2, which is wrong. B says 7, which is correct. C says 17, which is wrong. And D says 18, which is wrong. So option B is the correct answer, 7. So the least number of this set of numbers is 7. Thank you very much and God bless you. And ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.